friends, welcome to our channel. We are back with another new recipe. Today we are going to make bread cutlets. Come, let's go into the process. For this recipe I have used like 6 slices of bread. Before starting the process, first of all we have to break the bread into small pieces. Once it's done, you have to soak the bread with water. You can use side bread for this recipe, no problem with that. Once bread is soaked with water, you have to mash it. The most important and most good thing of this recipe is you can use old bread for this recipe. No need to buy new bread. You can use remaining bread at home. Once the bread is soaked with water and well mashed, you have to use other ingredients. When using water, you have to be more careful. You have to add little by little water and mix it. For the mixing purpose, you can use your hand because it's more convenient than using another spoon or something else. Once bread is done, now we are going to add the spices. I think you can see in the video how I am doing that. Now bread is well mixed and well soaked with water and mash it well. Now we are going to add all of the ingredients. First I am adding thinly sliced 1 onion, medium size onion. With that 2 green chilies. You can see how I have chopped that. You have to chop it small and add to the mixture. And I have this is mashed fish. I have used mackerel fish in this recipe. And then 1 egg you have to add. Once all the ingredients are added to the mixture, give it a small mix. Now add all spices. Actually spices can add as per your taste. I have add 1 tablespoon salt because in bread you will get salt, so when adding salt you have to be more careful. And half tablespoon black pepper powder. With that half tablespoon Cumming powder, 1 tablespoon red chilli flakes. Actually you can get all the ingredients correct exact measurements in description box. Once all the spices are added to the mixture, you can mix it well. You have to mix it until it turn into a soft mixture. Mix well until it is soft. In this mixture I have added little bit more water, so my mixture is looking like watery. So I am adding little 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. That will not harm the recipe. Even you can add, if you add too much water, you can adjust it with breadcrumbs. once breadcrumbs are added to the mixture, I think you can see how it's turning in the video, and you need to have a same kind of mixture. At this stage you cannot mix it with your hands, so you can use something to mix it well. Once the mixture is done, that means you can be able to make balls from this mixture. Then you will get the correct texture. Now our mixture is done. I think you can see how it is. Now we have to fry this. For frying, you can use any kind of oil. For this I'm using coconut oil, because as per me, coconut oil gives a good flavor for the foods, nice flavor. So you can use any kind of oil for the frying. You have to heat the oil first. You have to heat it well. And once oil is heated, you have to take even balls from the mixture and flat it with your hand, and you can add to the oil. I think you can see in the video how I am flattening it, and you have to deep fry the bread cutlets. Have to fry the both sides evenly until golden brown color. And I have to tell you can serve this with cheese cream, tomato ketchup, any other thing as per your wish, and you can serve this with a hot cup of tea. This will give a good taste as an evening snack. That is up to your preference. Now little by little our breadcrumbs are getting ready. And I have to tell, once you mix all the mixture, immediately you can make same as how I am doing. If not, you can refrigerate the mixture and you can use it later. This is a very easy snack. Now our bread cutlets are ready. This is our delicious crispy bread cutlets. You can serve hot this with anything as per your preference. Give it a try and let us know how it turned out, and also do not forget to subscribe, share, like our videos, and please keep supporting. Thank you very much for joining with us. Bye bye.